was just checking to see when a child is 14, what are their rights as far as a divorce settlement goes?
You mean with regard to custody?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, Vic, when you're talking about child custody, there are a number of factors that go into the ultimate decision as far as who the child is going to live with primarily. One of those factors can be the child's preference. Of course, as the child gets older, more weight is given to the child's preference. As you approach the age of 14, that's actually kind of a magic number where at the age of 14, the parent that the child prefers to live with, usually the court will go along with that, and unless there is a major issue with that parent or with their fitness as a parent, that the court feels that they need to, put their decision on top of the child's. But usually at age 14, the court will give great deference to the child's preference.
Now, Robert, is the same true in South Carolina, or is it just 14 at age of 14 in Georgia?
Well, in South Carolina at age 14, the child's preference is controlling, but also in Georgia, just generally as the child gets older and approaches the age of 18, after which 18 there's no real issue with child custody, but as they get older, both states will give more preference to that, or more weight to that child's preference.
Yeah. And that's because as they get older, they start taking on the parent and then doing what they want anyway.
That's correct. It can be a little bit more difficult to force a child who's 14 to 18 to actually visit or live with a particular parent. And a lot of parents would not want a child living in their house that doesn't want to be there, because they can make things quite difficult. Yeah. So the court understands that and tries to let the child's voice be heard.